Yes, way too late for this, but here we go anyways. The Kathmandu Kora 2018. For those of you who don't know about it, the Kathmandu Kora is a massive cycling challenge event which is held every year in Kathmandu and a few other cities. The event was organized in July last year, and of course, I couldn't miss it as I had a great experience when I participated in the same event a year before. From an easy experience of cycling 50 kilometers in 2017, I decided to step up to a harder and longer route in 2018. And boy oh boy, I got what I asked for. So guys, I really hope you will all enjoy this kinda long video. I really have tried to cut it down short. Alright then, with that all out of the way, please sit back and enjoy the ride. A very warm good morning to everybody. As the 21st of July, which means today is Kora 2018. खासै फर्ममा चाहिँ छुइनँ म सो आजको प्रोग्रेस कति गर्न सकिन्छ हेरौँ अहिले चाहिँ अनुजलाई भेट्न गइरहेको छु म ओके there's Anuj pushing already सोरुखुट्टेको उकालो there's always a killer उकालो यहाँ we are here at Patan, the starting point of the event. Feels good to be back. Kurako official page ma हेर्दा पनि there were lesser numbers of people participating this year, but should be fun. कति पछि अनुजसँग फेरि जाँदैछु साइक्लिङ feels good man. So यो पालि चाहिँ 75 kilometers गर्दैछु. I don't know how it's going to be. सुनेको चाहिँ एकदम गाह्रो हुन्छ भनेर तर let's see. Now we're starting the ride 75 to 100. Yep, there's Raj Dai. He's the organizer. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. He's got some skills. I'll be happy even if I'm able to catch up with the professionals. Last time it was only flat, now it is other, so I can see the improvement, I guess. Up here at the top of the hill. Yep, everybody's doing 100. Yep.
No, yeah.
Yeah.
200 actually.
Wow, good luck, buddy. I'm not gonna die. I'm really happy that I'm ready to go. A few more minutes, I guess, and we'll be setting off. Thank you. So far so good guys. Which is perfect cycling ko lagi. I hear some loud noises coming up behind me. The A-team top riders I guess. Here we go on their double suspension. Here we go. Look at his tricks. That's how you do it.
त्यतिकै 100 भन्दैन रहेछ नि क्वालिटी अब चाहिँ हल्का राम्रो रहेछ Yeah, happens a lot. Woo! Okay, Boglai, we're taking a snack break. And of course, we'll भएको बाटो त हुनै पर्यो नेपालमा So अब यहाँबाट steady uphill छ बिस्तारै steady climb यो त्रिशुली हाइवे हो यहाँबाट maybe a few kilometers northwest side मा heading हो अनि त्यहाँबाट अलिकति off road छ क्या so let's see it's tough but it's fun hello yeah you're doing it This was hard. So we're done with the lunch. Excellent numbers of study. Tired. It's not easy. We have got trails. Nice. This is a clean trail. Tough. What a view! Loving the view. We've got a good downhill. It is doable, but yeah, tricky. It's not that bad, but yeah, thanks, buddy. Yep. Nice! Stay! Bye! Woo! Nice! That was all worthwhile. We've got more. Woo! This is what I'm talking about. Yeah. Bummer. We've still got some more.
When I go down,
Yeah, you got
it's
to.
so easy to tense up.
Yes,
But then
you get stiff. Yep.
and then
Here we go again. All right. Hello. Namaste. Ooh, this is a nice view. Here we go again, hitting double song. पानी पनि पर्न थाल्यो एउटा नर्मल पानी पाउँ गाह्रो सजिलो छैन That's Helena.
hello.
We've been riding together.
We've been pacing each other.
Yes. Nearly there. I'm dead. बहुत पुगियो बब्बल थाकेको छ So खाने ठाउँमा पुग्यो अब के खाने के हेरौँ अहिले हामी पेप्सीकोला एयरपोर्टको ठ्याक्क पछाडिको बाटो पुगेको छौँ अब यहाँबाट कोटेश्वर हुँदै पाटन पुगिन्छ We're very close to finishing it. So close, we're nearly there. So after 75 kilometers go. Kora pani gariyo. Guess what? 75 kilometers done. Everybody's happy with their medals. I guess it's the same medal for everybody. Thank you very much. Very proud of myself.
We paced each other.
Yes.
Good.
We did that. Wow. Woo! Done.